Hey, Hellman here. Thanks for visiting this web page. The reason you visited this web page was because of the headline about learning about a scientific breakthrough that potentially can affect your or someone else's health in a very significant way. I believe we're in a season where God is giving some of his Josephs witty ideas and inventions that can really solve problems in people's lives. And so I came across this recent breakthrough in science that is actually having great impact on people's health. And it's the study of glycobiology. Glycobiology means the study of sugar. Glyco means sugar. It's not the kind of sugar that you and I think of like table sugar, but it's a scientific sugar molecule in our bodies that is very crucial to having our cells communicate with each other. And what they discovered in science is that when your cells communicate with each other, it causes your immune system to operate the way it's supposed to operate. You see, our immune systems is an incredible gift of God. And if our immune systems work, then we're going to be healthy. If our immune systems don't work, then there's going to be disease that can come into our bodies and affect us. And so over the last 20 years, some studies began to understand that something called glyconutrients were key to causing your cells to communicate. So they found that there were 8 specific glyconutrients that were required to cause your immune system to respond as a result of your cells learning to communicate. And so what they've discovered is that these 8 glyconutrients, which I have on my poster back here, are mannose, galactose, glucose, fucose, xylose, and then there's 3 others that have very scientific names that I won't even attempt to try to name. But these 8 glyconutrients, as what they're called, are the things that cause your cells to communicate. And so when your cells communicate, then your immune system becomes healthy. But if you don't have these 8 glyconutrients in your system, then your cells can't communicate. It's very simple. And so what they've found is that most of us only get 2 of these 8 glyconutrients in our regular diets. And one of the reasons is that today our food is processed. There's green harvesting. They harvest food before it's time. The chemicals that are used in our vegetables and plants and our fruits, we're not getting what we need. In fact, to get the same nutrients out of a peach today, you'd have to eat 53 peaches, just 50 years ago. And you could eat 1, but today you got to eat 50. And so our food supply is totally changed. And so this is why many people are getting sick today. Many people are getting the 4 major diseases that are most common today, which are diseases that come from within the body. And as a result of that, our bodies are breaking down because our immune systems are not getting what they need. And so these scientists discovered that this incredible breakthrough was when they found that the 8 glyconutrients are in your system, then your body has the greatest chance of fighting off disease and being able to be healthy. And so that's why I wanted to share it with you. So in essence, if these are cells, once you have these 8 glyconutrients in your body, they communicate with each other. And when they communicate with each other, it means that they're going to communicate and affect your immune system. It's very simple. And so below you find another video by a doctor in Europe. And I met this doctor a few months back, and I was so intrigued by what she had to say. But she did a TED Talk on glyconutrients, and I believe that you'll find it very informative and helpful. And then make sure that you enter your information on this page so that you'll also be able to get additional videos and information on these glyconutrients. And so I hope that this will be valuable information for you, because it certainly was for me. And I actually started taking these glyconutrients morning and evening, because I know that with my travel schedule, there's no way I'm getting the nutrients out of my food that I need. And I've recently turned 60, so I learned that the likelihood of catching a major disease once you're 60 doubles every 5 years. And so I wanted to be proactive about this, and so reading the research about this science, and found a research and development company that had these glyconutrients. I wanted to learn more, and so I got and found the owner of the company, and I spent some time with him to really study and learn the science of this. And so check it out. It might be something that you have an interest in or want to learn more about. But watch the TED Talk, and then go to the next page, and you'll be able to learn additional information on this breakthrough science that is really affecting many people's health in a very positive way. God bless.